Samsung is quietly working behind the curtains to bring one of Android 16's most exciting visual upgrades to Galaxy devices through its upcoming One UI 8 update, support for HDR screenshots. While the feature hasn't officially made its way into the public beta builds just yet, its discovery in a closed internal beta strongly hints that this capability might be right around the corner for users. What's so special about HDR screenshots? Currently, if you capture a screenshot while watching HDR content, like a visually stunning movie or a high-contrast game, the image is saved in SDR, standard dynamic range. This means you lose the punchy brightness, bold contrast, and vivid color spectrum that HDR, high dynamic range, content delivers. It's a bit like photographing a sunset with a foggy lens, the essence just doesn't come through. With HDR screenshots, all that changes. Samsung plans to preserve the full dynamic range by saving screenshots in HDR-enabled PNG format using Android 16's gain maps. This means your saved images will retain the original visual brilliance when viewed in compatible apps, such as the Samsung Gallery. Where was this feature discovered? The feature was first spotted by industry insider Universe in the ZYF7 closed beta build of One UI 8. Although it doesn't appear in the publicly available ZYF3 Beta 2 firmware, its presence in internal testing suggests that Samsung is actively integrating Android 16's HDR framework into its custom skin. Whether or not this feature makes it to the final One UI 8 release depends on several factors, but the groundwork is clearly there. And considering Samsung's history of prioritizing cutting-edge visual features for its high-end Galaxy phones, the odds are in users' favor. When can we expect it? Samsung hasn't officially confirmed a release timeline for HDR screenshot support. It could land in a future beta build or debut in the stable One UI 8 update following beta testing. What's encouraging is that the feature already appears to be functional in the internal builds, so it may not be long before Galaxy users can experience the HDR magic firsthand. Samsung's initiative mirrors Android 16's native push toward better HDR integration at the system level. By embracing gain maps and HDR metadata processing, the company is ensuring that users can preserve not just what they see, but how they see it.